How to earn $10 every minute with your phone. In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step. So in this video, we will be going over step by step how to use these 4 apps to earn $10 every single minute. If you want to earn some free PayPal money right now, watch this video till the end. Before we get started, don't forget to drop a like and let's see if we can get 100 likes on this video. If we can do that would be freaking amazing. And comment down below what country you are from. Also, click on that red subscribe button because in the next video I'll show you how to make $500 a day online for free. You don't want to miss that out. 1. Methinks, money for thoughts. Your opinion is valuable, so you're going to get paid for your opinion. The task includes giving feedback by testing apps, games, shopping online and more. First, download the methinks app from Google Store or Apple Store. Complete the initial sign-up process and answer the basic question about yourself, so the app has enough information to bring the right paid gigs for you. Methinks connects you to businesses that pay for your feedback and opinions on a wide variety of topics. Key features. Build your profile and businesses will find you. Apply for gigs. Impress businesses and earn follow-up gigs. Finally, you get paid every single week from home. 2. CitizenMe. Control cash trust. Join the 300,000 plus digital citizens already taking control of their data and, most importantly, get rewarded for it, on your terms. CitizenMe is the world's most trusted app for anonymous opinions, personality insights and quick payments. How it works. Download the app. Complete the sign-up process and become a citizen. You'll see 5 types of data surveys in the CitizenMe app through which you can exchange your data for a fair value. The green-colored tiles in the app are the ones that give you a cash reward for sharing your opinions. The first time you try to complete a paid data survey, you will be prompted to log into your PayPal account. You can select Connect and complete the exchange. Once you finish it, you will be paid your cash reward directly into your PayPal account. 3. Neevo. Earn some extra money while you walk, in line for your morning coffee, or during that commercial break by completing mobile-friendly tasks that help AI models run smoother. How it works. 1. Download and register. 2. Link a verified payment method. 3. Start completing tasks. What you'll do. Common tasks may include drawing bounding boxes around objects and pictures, identifying key people, places, and things in text, and transcribing snippets of recorded audio, among many other things. What you'll get paid. Payment varies depending on the task, but Neevo contributors average $10 to $15 per hour, usually working in 10 to 15-minute chunks of time. How your work is used. To understand the world around them, AI models rely on human annotators to teach them what's what. That's where you come in. As a Neevo contributor, your work helps top tech companies launch new products, fight algorithmic bias, and fine-tune some of the most widely used technology in the world to run just a little smoother than before. 4. Userlytics. The Userlytics app is a state-of-the-art user testing mobile app. It allows you to answer questions and record your session, both webcam view and device screen plus audio. As you interact with websites, mobile apps and prototypes, follow a series of instructions and answer questions. Each user experience and usability test is by invitation only. Userlytics clients are Fortune 500 companies, the agencies that serve them, and advanced technology startups that want to make their websites and mobile apps as user-friendly as possible. During the unmoderated session, you will need to follow instructions and answer questions out loud. There is no right or wrong answer. They are not testing you, they are simply observing the user experience and usability of the app. They also ask that you participate in offline user experience studies, or combined online and offline customer experience projects. You will be helping the companies make the world more user-friendly, and you will be compensated for your time with whatever incentive was defined in the invitation you received. Once you download the Userlytics app, you will be able to use it multiple times. Every time you are invited to a user experience or usability test. Sometimes you will be asked to conduct user experience tests online or offline, for example in a store or on a website, and sometimes both. The incentive payment you receive will be in proportion to the time and effort required. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please leave a like and comment below if you want me to make a video on a specific topic.